Hi Drawster Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute hydro flask, so let's get started. To draw this hydro flask, let's first start by drawing the lid. So I'm going to come right here and draw a straight line. Let's see, approximately that long. And then I'm going to round off my corner right here for the top. And then I'm going to just go straight across. So say about that much, and I'll round it off again on this side and then come straight down just like the other side. So about right here. And then from there I'm going to come in here and connect it with a straight line. There. So it's just drawing a rectangle, except the tops here are rounded off. Then from there, we're going to draw the next layer. So we're going to come right in here and draw a curve on both sides, right underneath, and connect. And then from there, this is kind of like where the metal part is in the hydro flask. And then from there, we're going to come down, come in a little bit, come down with a straight line. And then now we can start to curve out. So for the curve out about this much. So we're going to start to draw the body of our hydro flask. There, so 2 curves in. But before I draw the rest of it, let's come back up here. And in this area right here, I'm going to draw a curve. We're going to start to put the handle in on both sides. So it's like kind of like drawing headphones for our hydro flask. So then from there, I'm just going to start and draw a big curve that goes over our hydro flask here. I'm just going to go around and all the way back. And I'm just going to come in here and thicken it up. Since I'm already using a Sharpie and it's black anyways. Okay, so there. Now to draw the body of the hydro flask, because it is pretty big, I'm drawing pretty big, I'm just going to come in here with a straight edge. Try to figure this out here. So it's a little bit straighter, so I don't mess it up too much. So say about there. I'm going to draw a straight line down to about a little bit more. I got the big hydro flask. So same thing over here. Just make sure my line is straight. And then from there, same exact thing, just like the other side. And let me see where my line ends. So about right there, same level. And then from there, I'm going to start and round off this corner right here. And connect with a soft curve. Oops. There. Okay, so that is basically how to draw a hydro flask. And then now let's bring it to life and make it extra cute. So of course we're gonna have to draw some Drawster cute eyes, right? So kind of in this area, I'm going to draw a circle. So hopefully you guys love this drawing. And I'm gonna draw another circle on the other side, so about right there. So all this hydro flask stuff just started with me drawing my Drawster Cute girl, the Visco girl, and then the E girl, and drawing hydro flask stickers. So hopefully you guys have been loving all these Visco Girl theme stuff. Okay, so then let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. So as always, it's always thanks to all your requests that gives me all these cute little ideas to draw for you. So always make sure to comment and give me requests on what you would like to see me draw for you. So then same thing like the other side. Okay, so we have the eyes in, so then let's come to the top right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye. And then right in the center, I'm just going to give a very simple and sweet little smile and cap it off. There. Okay, so then now comes the fun part of however you want to decorate your hydro flask. For me, I'm just going to put a bunch of little things here and there, and then at the top right here, I'm going to draw this little speech bubble thing that I saw that was really cute. So I'm going to come right here in this area, since I always need to put a heart on my drawings, right? So then here I'm going to put a heart. So hopefully this inspires you to come up with your own way to decorate your hydro flask. Okay, so then from there I'm just going to go ahead and draw a bunch of little things in here. So I'll start this corner here with a big sunflower. So it's pretty straightforward. There's a bunch of petals all the way around. Oh wait, did I say sunflower? I meant daisy. Sorry. Or you can make yours a sunflower too. It's all up to you. This is just meant to inspire you. So definitely send me your fan art of your hydro flask. I would love to see what you guys come up with. Okay, I got one little daisy in here, and you know what? I'm just gonna put in some eyes, make it extra cute. And then maybe on this side I'll put in a pineapple. So about right here. Just tuck in a little pineapple right here. And the leaves at the top. So the goal is just to angle your drawings in different directions so it doesn't look too stiff. Some leaves in here. And then lightly put in some lines, just the curves. Then going this way. Yeah, let's see here. Do I even have, you know what? I'm going to see if I can put eyes in here. And a smile. Kind of works. Okay, and then I'm going to tuck in a little diamond right here, since I have some space right here. Also at an angle, find my center. Let's see here. And maybe put in a, let's see here, stuff a big donut right here then. So just come right here and draw a big circle. And then come in the center. Put the curve in there, give it some volume. Definitely need some drizzle, some icing over here. And then some sprinkles. Okay. And then let's see, we can put maybe a cactus right here. So we just draw a little pot at an angle. And stick a big cactus in here towards this area. The arms of our cactus. If you want to draw all these stickers I'm putting on this Hydroflask just like I am, and I'm going too fast, please just pause the video. I just didn't want to take too much time explaining each step because it's all about the Hydroflask. Okay, so I'm just going to put some prickles in here. Line. And let's see if I can fit in some eyes. There. And okay, so then from there, in this space, since I have some space, I'll just draw some little watermelon. And some seeds. And, well, we don't have much space left, so in this area, I'm just going to put a little band-aid. And in the center, let's see here. And some dots, just to make it look like band-aids. And in the center, a little face, so small. And I think we have enough stuff, right? Hopefully. And that is pretty much it for my Draw So Cute Hydroflask. And I hope this really inspired you to give it a try and have fun with it. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.